Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the final day of the bathroom makeover. If you follow me on Instagram, I've kind of been giving you guys updates on the progress we've been making in the bathroom. So today is the final day and we just have to decorate and hang some stuff and yada yada blah blah blah. I did briefly discuss on Instagram that we were trying to stay within a budget. My original budget was $300. I made it $250. Super happy that we were able to stay within a super low budget, and I can't wait till you guys really see the finished product. It's just so different, and the best part about it all is that it was very affordable, super cheap. I want to do a complete renovation, like gut everything, but for now, because that is very expensive, we're just gonna stick with this little makeover. There's my guy. There's my guy. I'll catch y'all later for the final reveal. Now, everything is done. All we have to do is decorate, which is my favorite part. And we will show you guys. Bro. Get off. Get off.
Hold on.
Stop. Okay, stop. I'll do it. Alright, good to nailing on the other thing.
Nah, you gonna actually do something with that. You finish that and then do it.
Yeah, you know what you did? What did you do wrong?
You gotta move one closer.
Really?
I told you you have to move one closer. I was about to fix it till you kicked me out.
Fix it.
Nah, you got it.
Alright, fine.
Go right there. That's how you hang a picture.
Did it? Yeah, just where the old holes were, the old things.
You sure?
Yeah.
Let's inspect. Right, put them even. Oh, some of them will look long on this side, short on the other side.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I know.
Wait, no. No, you're not right.
Okay. Go back. Repeat that.
Real quick.
You said you put them all wrong? Just trying to tell you.
No, you thought I had them like...
Nah, I know what I said.
No, you said some of them are short, some of them are long.
Meaning some of them are turned the wrong way.
No, that's not, this is not what happened. No, you're misinformed. Sorry to tell you.
No, you're misinformed.
Okay. Look how cute. So I bet you're wondering how I did all of this for only $250, right? Okay, let's get into the breakdown. So I got two different types of paint. The quart was $16.98 and the gallon was $27.98. And the spray paint we used for the knobs was $5.98. We have the light fixture, the most expensive purchase out of everything. That was $74.97. And of course, you need lights. The lights came to $10.77. And these cute little knobs that we put on the mirror, that came to $14.32. And the rest of the budget was from decor. The picture frame on the wall was $20, and I framed it with my own personal picture that we took from Arizona. The bath mat was $17.99. The cute hanging planter was $15, and the plant was free. It was gifted from my mom. Thank you, Mom. The cute little fluted glass toothbrush holder was $9.99. The candle was $8.99, and my cute little faux plant was $14.99. And last but not least, this amazing little soap dish was $9.99, bringing us at a total of $248, right under budget. I am beyond excited at how good it turned out. I had high hopes, and then like in the middle of when it was getting super ugly and kind of, I was like unsure. I was like, oh my God, I'm nervous. I was like, this is gonna turn out so bad. And the colors we chose ended up coming out like super cool tone, so I was like, all right, I definitely have to fix this with the decor. I think there's a lot of balance in here, and I really like the way it came out, and I hope you guys do too. Like I said in the beginning, we stuck to a budget, and this is what you could do with just a tiny budget. You could totally revamp a space. I encourage you guys to do the same. Please subscribe to my channel for more of this type of stuff, hopefully going forward into the future. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.